number 2 wants us to evaluate the integral. And we can do this the fast way. We don't need to use the definition of the definite integral. So all I need to do is integrate this. So the 4 becomes 4x. The x squared becomes a minus x cubed over 3. And then again, I don't need to put a c, because when I subtract my results, the c would get eliminated anyway. But I do need to evaluate this at 2 and at 0. So you want to plug in the 2 first into the answer, and then plug 0 into the answer. And then subtract the results in this order. So this will be 16 over 3 minus 0, which is going to be just 16 over 3. Again, if you had included the c's, there would be a c here minus a c here, and they would cancel out, so it wouldn't matter. So if you compare the 16 over 3 to section 5.2 number 8, it's really the same thing, and this is much faster using our integration rules than using the definition of the definite integral.